Good Monday evening, shaping up to be an active one across the Brazos Valley. Not much going on right now, but we do have a chance for a few severe storms across the central and northern zone. There's a level 2 risk for the northern zone, that orange area, and then we have a level 1 risk, which includes most of Brazos County, including Bryan College Station. Looking like the best chance for severe weather will be across that northern zone. This is where we could see 1 or 2 severe thunderstorms and then maybe 1 severe thunderstorm within this yellow zone here. Now, all risk on the table, large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornado all possible, but it looks like it's mainly going to be a wind and hail threat if we get anything at all. And we do have a warm front across that northern zone. That's why there is that level 2 risk. Now, taking a look at radar, notice really not much going on. There's pretty thick cloud cover in place across the Brazos Valley. That is our saving grace. If we would have had a lot of sunshine today, it would be a completely different scenario, but we are monitoring some showers and storms developing out along that I-35 corridor. As these work their way toward the east, that's when they could become severe, tapping into a more unstable atmosphere. Taking a look at the entire state, notice most of the activity to the north of a warm front, but this is non-severe, only talking about some heavy rainfall, pea-sized hail across northeastern Texas. Pretty evident where that warm front is. 54 degrees in Dallas-Fort Worth, while it's 75 degrees here in Bryan College Station. So pretty easy to spot it out. We do have a pretty big temperature difference across that southern zone versus the northwest. 61 degrees in Waco, while it's 78 degrees in Brenham, and those dew points are pretty mild out behind that warm front. We have dew points in the 70s across the southern zone, and those dew points to the north of that warm front in the 50s and 60s. So that's why we're going to see those showers and storms out there. Taking a look at the future radar, starting to see that activity develop out along I-35. Notice as it works its way toward the north and the east over the next hour or so, it starts to pick up in intensity. You notice some red and orange colors indicated. That means those storms getting a little bit stronger. Tracking it into the central zone as we head toward 8 p.m. Notice that we start to see some maroon colors within these cells. That means the storm's likely going to become strong, borderline severe. So that's when we're really going to monitor it, especially from Bryan College Station north. That's where there's that best chance for a few strong to severe storms. So we're going to continue to be here and monitor this evolving situation. Storms quickly start to die off as we head towards 9 p.m. though. So that's the good news. Tomorrow morning, behind that cold front, going to see clear skies out there, going to be in the upper 50s, lower 60s, and then we're going to see a high pressure build in Tuesday afternoon. This will eventually lead to a cool morning Wednesday with lows falling into the upper 40s, lower 50s under clear skies. And the weather pattern, it's going to be pretty nice. We're going to see a zonal flow eventually set up as we head into the middle of the upcoming week. That's going to ensure those temperatures are mild, just slightly above average, sunny skies. But then as we start to transition toward the end of the week, we're going to notice that we start to see a little dip in the jet stream. So a more southwesterly flow sets up across the Brazos Valley, and that's going to allow an increase in cloud cover as well as precipitation. Good news though, temperatures going to be mild through the late week into the weekend. We do see a cool down though later on next week. Notice those temperatures really not too bad behind that cold front. We're still going to get up to the 70s tomorrow, and then we actually see temperatures rebound toward the 80s next week before another cold front works its way in. Stay tuned, more KAGS after the break.